Welcome to the Travel Man channel. Today, we're exploring Nervi, a beautiful coastal town just east of Genoa, Italy. From above, the view is simply stunning. The drone rises over the coastline, revealing cliffs that drop into the turquoise waters of the Ligurian Sea. The town itself is a mix of colorful buildings stacked along the hillsides and narrow streets that wind their way up from the water. You can see red, orange, and pastel-colored houses with terracotta roofs, balconies overflowing with flowers, and fruit trees like lemons, oranges, and olives growing along stone walls. The contrast of vibrant houses against the deep blue sea and green hills makes Nervi look like a painting from above. The promenade hugs the cliffs, offering uninterrupted views of the sea and small inlets below. Boats and yachts float lazily on the water, and small piers extend into the bay. Inland, the hills rise steeply, dotted with villas, small parks, and olive groves. The mix of natural beauty and architecture makes Nervi a unique place, peaceful, colorful, and full of life. Even from the air, you can sense the charm that draws visitors here, blending the calm of the sea with the warmth of Italian coastal living. This aerial view gives a complete picture of Nervi, the vibrant houses, the walking paths along the sea, the cliffs and rocks below, and the endless blue of the Ligurian Sea stretching into the distance. It's a place that feels timeless, perfect for a calm stroll, a boat ride, or simply enjoying the views from above. As we continue our journey along Genoa, we come to La Storia Verde, one of the city's most charming green spaces. From above, the drone captures the lush park stretching along the hillside, dotted with tall trees, colorful flower beds, and winding paths. The park is a peaceful escape from the busy streets of Genoa, offering both locals and visitors a quiet place to walk, relax, and enjoy nature. Walking through La Storia Verde, you'll notice benches under the shade of chestnut and olive trees, small fountains, and open lawns where families and friends gather for picnics. The pathways meander through the greenery, sometimes leading to viewpoints overlooking the Ligurian Sea and the colorful houses clinging to the hillsides below. From the air, the contrast between the vibrant park and the city rooftops makes the park stand out as a calm oasis in the midst of urban life. The park is not only about natural beauty, it tells the story of Genoa's dedication to preserving green spaces for its people. Along the paths, there are informational plaques about the local flora and occasional statues commemorating historic figures. In spring and summer, flowers bloom in vivid colors, and the trees provide a canopy that cools the air even on warm days. From the drone, you can also see the nearby residential streets lined with fruit trees, where lemons, oranges, and olives peek over the walls, blending seamlessly with the greenery of the park. Small pathways connect the city to La Storia Verde, making it easy to visit during a walking tour of Genoa's coastline and hills. Whether you're walking the trails, enjoying the shade, or simply taking in the views from a nearby hill, La Storia Verde is a perfect example of how the city combines history, color, and greenery in one beautiful space. Walking through the town gives a completely different perspective, more intimate and full of small details you can't see from above. The streets are narrow and paved with old stones, winding gently between rows of colorful houses. The buildings are painted in warm shades of yellow, orange, and red, and many have wooden shutters and small balconies overflowing with flowers. As you stroll along, you'll notice fruit trees growing over the low stone walls, lemons, oranges, olives, and sometimes fig trees hanging their branches close to the street. The scent of citrus and greenery mixes with the salty air coming from the sea, making every step feel fresh and alive. Small cafes and gelato shops line some streets, inviting locals and visitors to sit for a moment, enjoy a coffee, or watch life go by. The walking paths often open up to views of the coastline. You can hear the gentle lapping of the waves against the rocks and see small boats bobbing in the water. Families, couples, and groups of friends walk along the promenade, while cyclists glide past, taking in the calm and colorful surroundings. The pace of life here is slow and relaxed, and every corner has something interesting: a small piazza, a historic church, or a terrace with a perfect view of the sea. Some streets rise slightly into the hills, revealing more of the terraced houses and narrow staircases. You can see the rooftops and gardens, sometimes with tiny shrines or statues tucked into the walls. The combination of colorful buildings, fruit trees, and the sea just beyond creates a sense of harmony, simple, authentic, and unmistakably Italian. Walking through Nervi like this allows you to feel the rhythm of the town. You notice the details, the peeling paint, the flower pots, the quiet courtyards, and the way sunlight hits the stone walls. It's a peaceful, easygoing journey that captures the essence of coastal life here. That brings us to the end of our walk through Nervi. I hope you enjoyed exploring the colorful streets, the charming houses, the fruit trees, and the beautiful coastline with me today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Travel Man channel for more adventures and beautiful places like this. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next journey.